when I was in the high school, Mati High School, we had a band. I am here holding the alto saxophone. Next is here Mr. Leon Braceros, our bandmaster. And then Rogelio Linsag using trumpet. These are our majorettes. This is Mila Oprenio. This is Victoria Victoria Mondihar. This one is Dumadag. I do not know the name. I forgot. Then this is Minyosa. I forgot the name. Using the tenor saxophone. All others are trumpet at the back. I forgot their names. That's me, Giscoro Vicentino, holding the alto saxophone. Mr. Braceros, our trainer, was using trombone, and he can play all kinds of saxophone, all kinds of instruments. He played a clarinet. He was the one who taught me clarinet. He played alto saxophone. He was the one who taught me saxophone. He played trumpet. He was the one who taught Rogelio Linsag how to play trumpet. And he also hold, of course, this one, the tenor saxophone. Mauni ang mga istorya sa kagahapon.